Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook one of my favorite spaghetti recipe, and what's so special about this recipe as well is that the tomato sauce that I've made, the tomatoes are from my garden outside. Now when you watch my videos, please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. This is my tomato which I was harvesting from outside. As you know, I'm a very proud man to harvest my own produce, and basically I'm going to use all of this tomato to make a sauce for my spaghetti. So I'm going to roast these now. I'm going to put them in the oven, allow it to roast, turn the heat up high and allow it to roast. And then what I will do is just remove the skin. The tomatoes are now in the oven. I'm just going to leave it there for it to roast until it's almost burning, and then I will remove it and allow it to cool, and then I'll take it from there. The ingredients for this delicious and healthy meal will be I have some wholemeal spaghetti here, I have some spring onions, some leek, I have some broccoli, some dry thyme, I have some bell peppers, 3 bell peppers, but I think I'm just going to use maybe just about a third of each. I have some mushroom, some tomatoes which I got from my back garden, and some munch too, and a couple green chilies. Now just to go back, munch too, it looks funny but in English you'd say man get out but it's actually quite a very healthy vegetable to have. It's rich in fiber, it helps to maintain a healthy blood sugar level, and it's also a rich source of protein. So if you never had that before, give it a go. It's quite an healthy vegetable. Now that my tomatoes have been roasted, what I'm gonna do is just to get rid of the skin or these outer bits. I'm gonna get as much as possible, and then I'm gonna add this in a jar and liquidize everything, and this will be like a paste to add to the spaghetti once it's cooked. I removed most of the skin from the tomato. I'm not wasting anything, so all that juice, from the tomato, I've added everything into this jug, and I'm going to liquidize it. I've now liquidized all that tomato. So basically, I might not use all of this now. I might put some up for later use. So basically, once I'm ready, or once the spaghetti is cooked and all my ingredients are coming together, I will add this as a sauce to the dish. I'm going to start to cook my spaghetti now. This pot is, the water is now boiling, so I can add the spaghetti to the water. I'm just going to break this in half. I think I'm going to cook all of this as well, so just a full packet. Break that in half, and I've already added some water to I've already had some salt to the water. That should be okay. I'm going to start to cook the vegetables as well. Right, this oil is about heated, so I'm just going to add mushroom, start to fry them. What I don't want to do is maybe allow the mushroom just to absorb all the oil, so I'm just putting it to one side and just sort of mix it around, turn it around. I'm also going to add the broccoli at this stage. Just going to give everything a nice little stir. The key thing here is not to overcook these vegetables. I'm going to add the mandu as well at this stage. These must remind you that these vegetables are also washed. As you can see, I'm just removing all of this from this pan with water. I'm gonna add the sweet peppers, the chilies, the spring onions, and the leek to this. This smells really lovely. The vegetables have been cooking for a while. This is now ready, and the spaghetti is now cooked as well. What I'm gonna do is just to drain this water off and then add the spaghetti in the vegetable. This is the spaghetti. This is whole wheat as well, as I did mention earlier. Just wanna add everything in this pan here. Just wanna get everything out. And I'm just going to give this a nice mix everything together so you can see the vegetables, broccoli, the mushroom and everything. So mix everything up. The only thing left for me to add is my sauce that I've made. One thing I did record is once I've liquidized the sauce, what I've done is to add a bit of salt to it, a bit of sugar and pepper to give it a bit of seasoning. So this is now ready. So what I'm going to do is just to add all of the sauce on this mixture and then get everything together. So I'm just going to scrape everything in. Actually, I thought this was too much, but it works out to be probably the correct amount. So I'm just going to get everything together now. This spaghetti has now been cooked. You can see how delicious this looks. I'm going to dish some out now and have a taste. This really looks nice. I'm going to have a taste. Wow, this looks really nice. Wow. Wow. This is really delicious. I'm having this with some oven cooked chicken wings. Wow, this is really nice. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please Please remember, when you watch my videos, leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.